Good evening, everyone. Hope you all had a happy Thanksgiving, but multiple snowstorms are expected to bear down on the Northeast Ohio Valley in early December. Following a large winter storm that will bring accumulating snow to much of the Midwest and parts of the interior Northeast this weekend, cold air will expand and set the stage for snowstorms across the Central Plains, Ohio Valley, Mid Atlantic, and New England beginning early next week. The storms are expected to impact ground and air travel and back to school operations following the Thanksgiving holiday. The snow will reach into many areas that have not yet experienced accumulating snow this season. A storm will race along the boundary between expanding cold air over the north central and interior northeast United States and warm air over the southern states from Monday to Tuesday night. The storm will have just enough strength to produce snow and a mix of snow, sleet, and rain on its colder side from much of Kansas and southern Nebraska eastward to much of Pennsylvania, New York, New England, and northern New Jersey. That is certainly true. Snow accumulation in the Northeast will depend on the formation of a second coastal storm. For St. Louis and Indianapolis, the storm early next week will bring the second significant snowfall in 2 to 3 days. Cities like Kansas City, Missouri, Pittsburgh, Cincinnati, Scranton, Pennsylvania, Hartford, Connecticut, and Portland, Maine, which avoided snowfall impacts from the weekend storm, may experience snow-related disruptions early this coming week. The storm is expected to bring a mixture of snow and rain, followed by a change to plain rain in Philadelphia and New York City on Tuesday. Roads may be slippery for a time, especially in the northern and western suburbs of these metro areas, where snowfall could persist for several hours. There is a chance that if the secondary storm just offshore were to strengthen quickly enough on Tuesday, it could create a northerly breeze of cold air down the Hudson Valley. This scenario could lead to more snow and slippery travel rather than rain and wet roads in New York City. A mixture of snow and rain in Boston may bring slushy travel at times from Tuesday to Tuesday night. More snow and heavy accumulations with slippery travel are forecast north and west of the city. All or mostly rain is in store for Washington, D.C. on Tuesday. Areas that receive drenching downpours will be prone to ponding on some city streets and highways from Monday to Tuesday in the southeast and the mid-Atlantic. Thunderstorms on the storm's warmer southern side over the southern states could be locally heavy and gusty. The cold settling in during the next 1 or 2 weeks will bring the lowest temperatures since last February in many cases. Slight fluctuations in that cold pattern will allow more storms to bring snow and a mix of snow, ice, and rain. Following the storm that affected the Midwest this weekend and the storm early next week, from the central states to the northeast, another storm warrants monitoring a few days later. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you liked what you saw, click like or subscribe below.